We are now seeing the first Tesla Cybertrucks that were totaled by insurers and are now up for auction. A couple of Tesla Cybertrucks deemed totaled, a total loss, have shown up on auction sites, as concerns about repair costs arise. There have been concerns about the repair costs of the Cybertruck. The first one has been involved in a significant front-end impact that resulted in airbag deployment. The vehicle is in Seattle and it has 3,932 miles on the odometer. This second totaled Cybertruck up for auction actually looks intact and only has 26 miles on the odometer. The problem with this Cybertruck is apparently that it was flooded. The flood line for the truck is surprisingly still underneath the cabin. Therefore, it's possible that the truck was flooded for longer than that and hence the damages warranting a total loss.